This might be the craziest and most risky video I've ever made on this YouTube channel. 2 weeks ago, I asked you guys what should my next YouTube video be, and more than 75% of you said cook an egg on your graphic cards, because that sounds like a normal thing to do. So today we're going to be cooking this egg on my graphic cards while playing Call of Duty, and then I'm going to eat it. I actually even brought salt and pepper, so to actually make this happen, I'm going to turn the fans of the graphic cards all the way to 20% while we're playing Call of Duty. I'm hoping that the temperature of the graphic cards will get to 80 Celsius. So without further ado, let's try to cook this egg on my graphic cards. That sounds so stupid to say. First, we actually need something to cook the egg in. This is like a heat-resistant thing that I cook eggs in at home. But second, we need an egg, obviously. And third, we need some salt and pepper. And to make this even more interesting, I'm going to be playing Call of Duty with my FPS not capped at all. I'm going to be running MSI Afterburner at 20% fan speed on my graphic cards. We're going to put the egg right here. I think it's going to cook in like 20 minutes. That is my prediction. But without further ado, let's do this. Let's crack the egg and cook it on my graphic cards, then eat it. I'm going to take the side panel off and I'm going to figure out what is the hottest area on my graphic cards right now. All right, so the graphic card temperature right now is 56 degrees Celsius. Oh my gosh, that is hot, bro. Okay, so definitely this area is the hottest area on my graphic cards. Temperatures are rising, 65 degrees right now. Let's see how hot we can get it. All right, let's crack the egg open and get it cooking. I don't even know how to crack it without making a mess. It doesn't want to. Oh shoot. Okay. Oh gosh, I'm gonna try to get the shell out. I don't want it. I want to eat an actual good egg. Good thing I have paper towel in my gaming setup. This just feels so risky and stupid. All right, the temperature is at 71 degrees right now, 73 degrees. We're gonna be putting the egg right here. Oh my gosh, it's hot, bro. I really don't want this egg to break in my PC. I'm actually gonna close the side panel. All right, time lapse is going. I'm gonna get to playing some video games right now. Okay guys, so the graphic cards is running. The game is running on 130 frames per second right now. My GPU temperature is around 80 Celsius, which is really hot for my graphic cards. I'm hoping I don't damage anything. Right now, the time is 9:23. Let's see how long it takes before we can eat breakfast. For now, I'm gonna actually play some video games and let's see what happens. Alright guys, so it's been 20 minutes and it's been zero progress, so I'm hoping I don't have to eat this egg raw. But to take the temperatures up a notch, where I downloaded firmware is going to be testing and stress testing the graphic cards. It's going to get the temperatures up a little bit. So I'm going to run that for a little while, hoping that will maybe cook some of the egg. I don't know. Let's do it. This is not looking very good for me because I said I'm gonna eat the egg either way. Okay guys, so the stress test has been running for the last like 20 minutes and the temperatures are at 87 degrees, which is super stupidly high, but there is really no progress. I don't know what's going on. I don't see any temperatures changing. I see a little bit of like caramelization down on the corner, but there's nothing happening. So I figured, what if we just swapped the pan and used this measuring thing? Okay, I'm gonna transfer the egg. Okay, egg has been transferred. Oh gosh, there's some egg on my graphic cards. Bro, it's cooked egg. Oh no. That'd be a waste of $1,000 right there, guys. All right, everything is situated better. The egg is now cooking in the pan. Temperature's at 88 degrees. Holy smokes, that's so bad. Okay guys, so the stress test has been running for 30 minutes and there's zero progress. The egg looks pretty much the same, but I found online that if you put it in foil, it might actually do better. So I got some foil right here. I'm gonna make like a pan with the foil and put the egg in it and transfer it into that and see if that will cook any better. This is taking way longer than I expected. I'm already an hour and a half into this situation and zero progress. So hopefully it's worth a like on this video. All right guys, so I made this like plate from the aluminum foil. I'm gonna transfer the egg into it and let's see if that cooks any better. All right, so the egg is cooking right now. It's covered with foil. I'm gonna leave it running on the test for 15 more minutes. See if it actually works out. All right guys, it's been 15 minutes. Let's check on the egg now. Seriously, I don't know why. I have a feeling that it's gonna be really cooked all the way. It looks exactly the same, bro. I'm eating this raw tonight, I swear. Like not even one bit it's changed. Okay, here's the deal. It's 10:37 right now. If the egg is not ready by 11, I'm gonna eat it raw, and this video was just a fail. I had fun doing it though. I hope you guys had fun enjoying watching this video, but by 11, I'm gonna check on it. Whatever the state that it's in, I have to eat it. Shake on it. See you guys at 11. All right, boys, it's 11:01. Let's check on the egg and eat it regardless if it's cooked or raw. I don't know why I'm really nervous. Oh my gosh, it looks disgusting. It's like barely cooked. Either way, I said I'm gonna eat it, whether it's cooked or not, so let's eat it. All right, guys, so the egg is in front of me right here. It's barely cooked, super raw. It's 11:15 p.m. I'm about to go to sleep, and this is the last thing I'm about to eat before I go to bed, which is disgusting. I want to throw up just thinking about it. So yeah, without further ado, I actually have some salt and pepper I'm gonna put on it. Because why not just add some flavor, you know what I'm saying? Sprinkle the love. That kind of looks good. No, it doesn't. It looks disgusting. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, it's stuck on my teeth. It's not bad. Okay, that was disgusting. Well, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me fail cooking an egg on my graphic cards. There's gonna be obviously an episode 2. I'm gonna be trying to make this happen. I'm gonna try to cook an egg on my graphic cards. It's gonna happen. I'm gonna eat it fully cooked off of my graphic cards. So this is the first attempt to me cooking an egg on my graphic cards. So please leave a like on this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.